Morning guys, welcome to MK Sportscars, Kit Car Direct. Cup of tea now, let's do a little toy shop walk today, shall we? Show you what's going on in the workshop. Quite busy at the moment, got a few cars in the workshop. This one here is a little low cost. We had a little Kent Crossflow engine in it. We've now done a conversion over to a bike engine. Just going to use this as a little track day toy really. Still some details to finish on it, but it gives you the idea, some of the work we can do. That's a R1 big bang engine in there. Make good power, make a nice sound. So if you're looking to do a sort of engine, car engine, bike engine conversion, we can do that. This one's got a 6-speed sequential gearbox, just comes as standard. We made a nice little billet gear lever on it for it. Standard bike clocks. 1 forward, 5 back. Bit of fun, nice, very light car. Should be pretty quick. Here we've got a Blackbird car engine in. MK Indy Classic. Original style outboard front suspension car. Just doing some work on this one from carburation stuff issues, some changes, some upgrades, and then we're going to be doing some other stuff with this which we'll show you later on once we get into the car. It's only come in yesterday. Here we have our undercover. It says our MK Indy. It's a demonstrator car, it's the Candy RX5, newly developed in 2016. Sold quite a few of these now, very popular kit. Coming out, we do wet weather gear with it, windscreens, etc. Running a standard 1.8 Mazda Mark II, 98-2000 MB engine. About 140 horse, something like that they are a standard. Great little fun car, great road car, drives fantastic on the road. Just been in the latest Complete Kit Car magazine. Loved it, great write-up on it. Drives as you'd expect it to, with you know, using a single donor type vehicle parts. You know, drive it to the track, have a bit of fun, drive it home again. That's what these are all about. And cheap. You know, people are building these for about, you know, but in their own garage for about £8,500. So it's not a huge amount of money. And you know, it's smiles per mile on these every day of the week. We'll move further down the workshop. That's a MK Indy RR. This is a Ford-based kit. This is a left-hand drive car we've done for a customer. It's going out abroad, ready to be shipped. Running the Suzuki Hayabusa engine. This is a 2014 engine in this one. Only done 4,000 miles. Very low mileage. These run about 200 brake as stock. So. Very, very, very quick car. This has got our new sort of design of standard paddle shift that we do now on an MX5 based column. So paddle shift mechanism, cow horn based, very simple to use, very light, very precise. Got to be honest, no need really for a flat shifter when you're running this setup. Cheaper, much cheaper to make. Dry sump system. Reach out to our good colleagues at SBD for these. We do fantastic bit of kit. Never known any problems with these ever with fuel oil starvation. Cortina front uprights, drilled and grooved disc all round. LED headlights are new versions that we're doing now. Compomotive wheels on it. Lightweight car, 508 kilos, wet, so not a heavy car in any way, shape or form. Great fun, awesome track car. These compete in the Mag 7, 750 Motor Club. Matthew Booth won a championship in 2016 in one of these. You know, great fun. Give us a shout if you want any prices or quotes on these, or you're looking to upgrade your own car. You know, we can do that. Another MK Indy Classic here. Little Sierra double overhead cam, which is not enough for this customer. It's coming to us, and we're going to be taking this out in the next week. So we'll do a little bit of a blog on it so you can see how it is now. Over the next week, you're going to see this transform. Having a nice little Honda S2000 engine in there, 2 litre, 240 brake horsepower standard gearbox running in it, etc. You'll see this conversion run over the next couple of weeks, leading up to sort of 3 or 4 week install maybe on this particular one. But we'll keep you updated, see the progress, see how we do it all. Nice car, other than that. It's a 2018 car, pretty tidy, pretty clean. Just needed the extra horsepower really for this customer. Under here, sorry guys, we keep these all covered up for good reason. Keep all the dust off them, keep it clean. Here we have a car that this install on this car is going to have. This is a Honda S2000. This is one of our own cars. So standard F20C block gearbox. We run an Omex management on this particular one. Great car, 240 horsepower as I say, goes really well. Perfect road sort of track day car really, with a VTEC system, uber reliable. This is an Indy RR chassis again. Extra wide arches on this particular model and a bit of a custom colour. It's a candy apple blue on this. Runs an ETB Digidash. We use this a lot on track and take customers out. So if you see us next year on any track days, you want to come out for a little demo drive, drop us an email, give us a phone call when we're at the event. We'll take you out happily. You know, have a bit of fun. Got another little double overhead cam engine in this one. This is a very early classic Indy. We're just doing a few tweaks on this to get it finished. This will then, this is going to go up for sale. Got to be sort of around the 4K mark. Classic little Indy. Good little road fun car. Cheap way to get into your first kit car. So if you're looking for your first kit car, cheap little car to get around in, have a bit of fun in, give us a shout. This will be up for sale shortly once we've detailed it a bit more. We've got Joseph and Peter working here on a couple of cars. This has just come in. Again, another Indy classic. Little Pinto engine, great 2-litre Pinto. This car was started to be built by the customer in 2002. So he's had it a few years, sat older for a while, so we've just literally done all the prelims, got the engine running for him now. We're just sort of going through the car, getting it ready really for IVA, prepping everything. This will go off in the next probably 3 weeks. You'll see some changes going on in this. It's a pretty classic car. Actually, the customer's done a pretty good job. Tidy buildish, a few tweaks needed here and there. And then we should be able to get this ready for IVA, thankfully. Good old faithful Pinto on carbs. A lot of people don't like them. I quite like them. They're good fun. Talky little engine, not a huge amount of money. But yeah, carbs make a nice noise once you dial them up. Here we've got Joseph working on, this is going to be a factory built car. It's coming now. We've just detailed the engine, Joseph has. That's dropped in. It's a Gen 1 Hayabusa. They make about 175 brake stock. Going to run this as standard for a while, but again, it's going to be another little project that we're working on. This is going to be breathed on a little bit. Little turbo going to be sticking out the side at some point. You know, give it a little extra 100 horsepower, have a bit of fun. But it's an Indy RR chassis, fully rose jointed all the way around. This is going to be in a stand, probably at show, maybe at Stoney next year once we've finished it all. Aimed for around sort of February to get this on the road, brand new reg. Again, if you're looking for something and you want to get in, jump the queue, because we're on about sort of, probably now we're in about 4-month build waiting list. This will be ready before then. If you're looking to jump the queue and wanting a booster car, knock on our door, give us a call, give us an email. We're happy to talk through the car, and you could be, you know, sitting in that driver's seat and driving it away. But yeah, give us a shout, give us some details, and we'll go through it with you. So that's where we are this week. Got a couple of more cars coming in next week. More projects to do. Busy little workshop. Give us a shout. You know, MK Sportscars, Kit Car Direct, everyone. 01376 617 792. Neil or me or one of the guys will be happy to help. When you bring your car in, want an upgrade, give us a shout. See you soon, guys. We'll catch up next week.